Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have studied about roadways and railways. Today, we are going to discuss about waterways. Student, waterways is a most important way of transportation because it is cheapest means of transport, and people of the world, they are using from ancient time this route for trade and also for pilgrimage. How it is the cheapest means of transport? Students, you know that for making road, for laying railway line, it is too costly, and waterway is cheapest because it does not need the maintain work. There is no maintenance expenses in this way, in this transport. That is why this is cheapest means of transport. It is of two type. One is, in one we use lake, river in our country. It is known as inland waterways. In our country, like in river Ganga, from Haldia to Prayagraj, Allahabad, this is the inland route by which many small ship go through this way, and you have also seen in summer season beside our school shop has the ship go in this waterway. And second one is sea route. Sea route is used for transporting the huge goods from one country to another country. Many cargoes are used for carrying petrol from Arabian country to the eastern country, and also the prepared manufactured goods from one country to another country is carried by waterways because it is cheapest. That is why mostly the traders, they want to use this transport. More important water transports of the world are given here. Sea route of the world are Singapore and Mumbai in Asia, New York, Los Angeles in North America, Rio de Janeiro in South America, Durban and Cape Town in Africa, Sydney in Australia, London is in European country. These are the important seaport of the world from where trade take place. Second topic which we are going to study, it is airways. Airways are fastest means of transport. It is too costly because the fuel which is used in it is also costly. It is adversely affected by climatic condition. when storm comes or in winter season due to fog, it is affected, and also in rainy season when it rains heavy, the airport they fill with water. In this way, it is affected by climatic condition, climate of the area. It is the only mode of transport by which we can reach to the remote area where railways, roadways are not there, like in our country, in northeast area, mountainous area where very dense forest is there. In that area, we reach with the help of helicopter. Also, helicopters are useful at the time of flood for rescue. It is used. It supplies food, water, everything at the time of flood. The most important airports of the world, they are Delhi, Mumbai, New York, London, Paris, Frankfurt and Cairo. In this way, we came to know about waterways and airways. Now we are going to study about communication. We convey our messages with each other by many means. We use television, radio, newspaper, magazine for getting information. These all are medium of communication. With the development of technology, with the help of man-made satellite, we are able to communicate too faster in present time. In previous time, before 3 decades, it was very difficult to communicate from one place to another place. In our own country also, at that time people were sending messages through letter. Indian letter envelopes were used, and with the help of post office, people were sending their messages, and also money transfer with the help of post office was there. But in present time, transfer of money from one place to another place, it takes only few seconds, few minutes. But before 30 years, before 35 years, the condition was not so good. Transfer of money also not easy. It was taking 7 to 8 days. It was money order from one place to another place, and it was too difficult. But due to communication facility, it became very easy, and we can talk, we can send messages through mobile, wireless communication it is, and we can carry mobile everywhere, and where network will be found in that area, we can talk easily. Where we want, we can talk easily all over the world with the help of that mobile phone, cellular phone, and with the help of internet, we can get the knowledge of everything, not only education, which you all are getting through the YouTube. We are sending you the tutorials this is also medium of communication. In this way, the communication in present time became so easy due to the technical development.